Hello everyone, before I start I want to say at the outset that I don't support Russia's actions. However, since I want to keep the current pattern of reviews, I also have associations with this country, such as Vostok Watches, writers such as Dmitry Gluhovsky, author of the Metro series, Future and Outpost, Fyodor Dostoevsky, composer Piotr Tchaikovsky, Vasily Zaitsev, one of the most famous snipers in the history of wars, Mikhail Kalashnikov, creator of the most reliable rifle in the world, the Mi-24 helicopter, the world's largest nuclear submarine Aqua, the best chess players and physics, and Kizlyar knives. Today I have a review of a folding knife of this brand, KO model. Total length is 22.1 centimeters, blade length is 9.6 centimeters, blade thickness is 3.5 millimeters, blade steel is AUS 8, it is a Japanese stainless steel, hardened to about 57 HRC, a dagger type blade, sharpened on one side, on the other is a fake. The cutting edge itself is quite uneven. One side features a company logo showing the letter K, standing for the name Kizlyar, and KO, the name of the model, and the other is showing the full name of the Kizlyar company, and the inscription is Delano in Russia. The knife runs on bearings. The handle is black ABS plastic, but the brown inserts are made of some type of rubber. ABS itself doesn't provide a good enough grip, despite it is slightly rough structure. Well, it's not a G10 or micarta. This rubber slightly increases the certain of the grip, and the cross guard prevents the hand from accidentally slipping onto blade. In the middle, the company logo, the letter K, hole for cord, quite an interesting screw of the main axis. On one side the letter K, and on the other cutouts for a flat screwdriver, but you can also use a coin. I checked for myself. Liner lock, pretty thick. I have to admit that this is one of the better made locks of this type I've seen. The lock fits fully and holds securely. Liners are made of stainless steel. A simple stainless steel clip without any motive, which perfectly holds the knife to the edge of the pocket. Not too hard, not too weak, just right. There is no problem with taking it out of the pocket, and this is rare because many knives have too stiff a clip that holds the knife too tight, and then you have to struggle to pull it out. In summary, quite unconventional and original for a flipper, made in Russia. There is no denying that it's a rather self-defense type of a knife, but it's also suitable for EDC, still is suitable for basic needs and normal use. It runs smoothly, clicks nicely. It seems big, so it may seem that carrying it in your pocket might be uncomfortable and inconvenient, but it's not so bad at all. However, due to the flipper, it can scratch a screen of a smartphone if you carry them together in one pocket. But overall, a pretty cool knife for little money, which you don't regret using. That's all in this review. Thanks for watching.